Archicad is a leading BIM building information modeling software used primarily by architects and designers to create detailed 3D models, floor plans, and construction documentation. Its parametric design capabilities, collaboration tools, and integration with other architectural software make it a powerful tool for professionals. The software streamlines workflows, enabling architects to visualize projects with realistic rendering and intelligent object management. However, its high cost and steep learning curve can be challenging for beginners or smaller firms. Compared to competitors like Revit, Archicad offers a more intuitive interface but may lack some specialized functionalities preferred in large-scale architectural projects. Despite this, it remains a top-tier choice for those in the architectural field.